Tadulingi Kamsa, Dungi Lamne Inchi Jontab Shebe, Lisin, Shiba Tenalaya, Trilingi Laya, Yanga Dunjungu Shain. Ani Taringi Dundi Ming Delia, Nana the cow sure, Nana Lanakap de Nalaya Paju Mingre, the cow Lana Paju Stundu, Nana Shebe, Paju de Sure, Shamlangi Dumadus, Lingi Langu Shuin. Nana the cow lives with her friend in a big barn. She likes to visit new places. She likes flowers so much. Nana the cow Malaya, Nana Shibi cow de kawam pajudes, lives dan devada with her friends Lana in Murangit. Any tumbudis num dodus deores, and cow de orelane in a big barn. In a big barn Malaya, Lera chumbush nalea deores. She likes to visit Morani. She likes Lana Morangaboyores to visit Lana Dovache, new places Ladu Samalaya Sajasawa, Situn Dumara Sajasawa Lea Doya Gavushu Shures. She likes flowers so much. Any Morang dus Medo Gavushu Shures. She likes Lana Morangaboyores, flowers Lana Medo Rava so much Lana Shubuchis, Situn Dumara Medu Shush Gaboyores Gure. One day, Nana walked away from the farm. She found a field with a lot of pretty flowers. She decided to spend the day there. She smelled the flowers. One day, Nana walked away from the farm. Nana Shibe Pajude walked away lana dusta kumagamne chimbres. From the farm Malaya, any Moran districtanda, Shingajura, farm Danes, Tundumura, any Shingatine Tarins, Compagab Chimbres. She found Malaya, Moral near Brace, a field Malaya, dusa Sajatis, with lot of pretty flowers, any Shingatena Laya, dusa. Lot of Sedusambala Mangbusugora, pretty Laning Jumuda, flowers Sedusambala meadows, turned Umra Laya, Sajaning Jumuch Medogi, Kingo Jumra Laya dus Nebam Rabres. She decided to spend the day there, Sedusambalaya, Moran such dera Laya dus New Degins, Chichi Tajebres. She decided Sedusamalaya, Moy Tajebra, to spend Sedusambalaya dus Debachwa, the day Sedusambal Nimedes. Dea lanen dela returned to Mosaj delaya, dea gitaje brace. She smelled the flowers sedusambalaya, she lana moran segura, smelled sedusambalaya, smell gitui de balaya, smelled segura, turned to timanum balaya, smelled segure, the flower lana meadows, turned to moran, such del de chene dusta, meadow de timanum she dus de brace. She smelled the flower. Listened to the birds singing and ate some green grass. She felt drowsy, so she decided to take short nap. Listen to this Malaya Tweedabagi. Chasilaya listened to the birds singing Sedusamalaya, birds Sedusamalachuda, Chat Tamlo Kure, singing Sedusamalaya, Shetongi was Tundo, Nimurandus, chewed into Shetangi of the modus Niabrace, and ate some green grass Sedusamalaya, eat Sedusamal tweet Tadawas, Segura, Tanda de ate they eat ki tweetabalaya, dus ate Segure, ate some green grass Sedusamalaya, and Imrangidusta, za Gombudik Sabres. She felt drowsy Sedusamalaya, Moranze za Sevishu dusta. She felt drowsy Sedusamalaya, Moni Kudu Cheres, drowsy Sedusamalani Gisiwam, Nitoa Sore. So she decided to take short naps. Sonza animu dixingayadus nit queens chechemurandus some tambres, tachebre sore. She decided Sedusamalaya, me tachebam sambache, to take short naps Sedusamalaya, ni dixingaya ni muran queens cheche sambres sore. When Nana woke up, it was dark. She was worried about how to find her way to the farm. She walked and walked in the darkness to find her friend Sedusamalaya Harisure Shubaina. When Nana woke up, Nana yani sidu sambas, woke up sidu sama yani sidu sambas. It was dark, Tedukupsuani, dark come Naguncha sabres. She was worried about how to find Tedusambata Munyani Sedusambaya, Mosim de Shush Lambres. How to find her way to Dusamalaya, Candice Morandusta, Lamba Candice Sevana Samchum, Dus Simti Lambres. The farm Sedusamalaya in Morandesagi Shinga Desagura, twin to Morandesagi, Shingati Lamba Candice Segoina, Samch Simti Lambres. She walked and walked in Moramutuchi, Compagap Chimbres. In the darkness, Sedusamalaya, Naguna Lasure. To find Sedusamalaya in Sebas. Her friend Sedusamalaya Moran Thomas Sugre. She began to cry, then heard a bark. Ani Moran Dusta began to cry Sedusamalaya Dusta Muya Gotu Bres. Then heard a bark Sedusamala and to Dusamaya mo heard Sedusamalaya here Gitwidebalaya heard Sagera heard a bark Sedusamalaya Dusa Moran Cobres. A bark Sedusamalaya ki suge kige jidus Moran Cobres. It was doggy. Any kide dus Morangi doggy did dus. The farm doggies, the dog from her farm Sedusamalaya dus any Morangi Shingana like crowns name the Yankee doggy de doggy kide by any Morangi how Cobres. He said, "We miss you. Follow me to the farm." We miss you. Lanang tukina shush ten chunsugure. Follow me. Sedusabalingi shushos to the farm. Sedusamalaya farm cholas drains. Turn to the farm chola drain. Kirangi shushos chichilabres. Nana was so happy and Nana shush them gavre sure. Last day the ring get on there to see. And Lingi since an amadalaya, Nintabane Tuchina, Switch Shui, let's say.